Hey community, it's KJ here from KnappyHair.com, and I'm going to show you how your 16-inch Kinky Coarse clip-ins comes to you on arrival. So your clip-ins come with a hair care card, and on the back of the card it gives you the steps for what you should do after you open up your clip-ins and inspect them, okay? And we'll talk about those steps once we open this up. I'm just gonna pull out everything that comes in the box. You do get a satin bag, and this bag will allow you to, it's really good to use when you're traveling with your hair, and when the hair is not in use, you can just keep the hair in the bag. So all of the clip-in sets come with 2 extra clips. With anything that you use over and over, your clips can sometimes come off, so they just need to be reattached. Also, clip-in sets come with a complimentary Weft sealer, and I will show you how to apply Weft sealer to the back of your clip-ins. So this is a 16-inch full set. It has 5.5 ounces of hair, and there is 9 pieces in this clip-in set. Okay, so we have this 16-inch set open. The 16-inch clip-in set comes with 9 individual clip-in wefts, and all of the clip-in wefts have a different number of clips on them. And because of that, they vary in width and weight. This is all 9 pieces in the clip-in set. And again, this is a 16-inch set. And a 16-inch set comes with 9 clip-in wefts, and it's 5.5 ounces. 5.5 ounces of hair is equivalent to about a weft and a half of hair, okay? So this is a lot of hair. So I'm gonna start with the largest piece. And when I say largest piece, what I mean is it's the longest width. So this is the largest piece, and it has 5 clips on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? I'm also gonna show you how to measure the length. So I'm just gonna measure to show you that it is 16 inches. And again, this is Kinky Coarse. So the hair is a little bit tighter. We'll talk about that later, but you can see that this is 16 inches. So to measure 16 inches, to measure any of the hair, you always pull it. And so here you can see that this piece is 16 inches. It's actually a little bit longer than 16 inches. In the 16-inch set, there is 1 clip-in weft that has 5 clips on it. So next we have the 4 clip-in wefts, okay? So, and these are the same width. So you have 2 of those in your 16-inch set. Here, I'm just gonna pop them. And it's a little bit shorter. Here's my 5 clip-in weft. And here's the 4 clip. It's a little bit shorter. Next, we have 3 clip-in wefts. And that's how I measure them. I measure them how I measure them is the amount of clips. That's how I differentiate the pieces, okay? So with this 3 clip, they are Again, the same width, and it's going to be a little bit shorter than the 4-inch. So the 3 clip-in weft is going to be slightly shorter than the 4 clip. So this is 5 of the clip-ins. Okay. And look how much hair you have in 5 clip-ins. This is half your set. There's a ton you can do with just these 5 clips. Now, let's move on. Our remaining 4 clip-in wefts have 2 clips on each weft. 3 are the same width and 1 is slightly shorter. So this is how your 16-inch Kinky Coarse clip-ins comes right out of the box. But there still is other steps that you need to take prior to using the hair. I'm gonna show you how to put weft sealer on the back of your clip-ins. Okay, so your weft sealer comes complimentary with your clip-in set. So it's a very easy application to put on the back of your clip-in weft. You do not put it on the front side where your clips are. You are putting the weft sealer onto the stitching of the wefts. Weft sealer is the first step in prepping your clip-ins for use. After you seal your wefts, this is when you will shampoo, condition, and blow dry your hair. You don't want to use the clip-ins prior to sealing your wefts and prior to shampooing and conditioning. And all of this is listed in your hair care card that comes with your purchase. I think of weft sealer as nail polish. You just brush it on lightly and just onto the stitching. Weft sealer is a form of glue. We're adding an additional bond to the weft. The bond is to help the hair stay intact because this is machine made. Okay, so you can see how quick and easy that was just to add weft sealer to the back of your clip-in weft, and you just repeat that on all of your clip-ins. And again, only on the back of the clip-ins. All right, community, so this was just the first step in the journey with your clip-ins. Stay tuned for more videos. Next, I will show you how to properly shampoo your clip-in extensions.